HNS Transit channel. If you like video, please press like, share, and subscribe. This is going to be Unit 5, Grammar. Lesson 1. The verbs. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Hi, what do you do? I write my homework. Write.
Right.
I write my homework. Hello, what do you do? I take a bath. I take a bath. Take a bath.
Take a bath.
What do you do? I ride a bike. I ride a bike. Ride.
Right.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
What do you do? I read a book. I read a book. I read a book. Read.
Read.
Thank you. What do you do? I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. Drink. I drink water. What do you do? I play basketball. I play basketball. Play. I play basketball. What do you do? I wash my hand. I wash my hand. Wash. I wash my hand.
I wash my hand.
What do you do? I fly a kite. I fly a kite. I fly a kite. Fly. Thanks for you. Goodbye. If you like video, please press like, share, and subscribe.